Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Honda Civic Coupe. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.